Hello, my name is Eric Dean, Project Manager here at ATS Life Sciences in Cambridge. For Project Scorpion, our customer came to us looking for a company to be able to rapidly produce their product that required in the rollout for rapid vaccination of COVID-19. Project Scorpion looked at using Symphoni as a technology to be able to produce the subassembly for this product and produce it in such a way that we could reduce the footprint and be able to employ this in two larger pieces of traditional equipment, thereby saving floor space and increasing the output of a single machine. And there are a lot of benefits I want to share with you about our Symphoni platform. Let's go through the process of the Symphoni Scorpion machine. The first cell that we have is the seal cell. The seal cell is a 2-up with 2 inline lanes that are placing the seal onto the pallet. The next station that we go to is the plunger handle station. Plunger handle is also a 2-up, 2 station where the plunger handles are picked from the dial. They are, we insert the seal onto the plunger handle, and then those are placed into the gripper fingers on the pallet to be able to travel around to the other parts we're going to add. So let's walk over and see those. So the plug station is picked up by, it's a 2-up station, picked up by a set of straws that insert the plug all the way down into the plunger handle. And the last station we have is the cap station. And the cap station is a 4-up single station where the caps are basically put on top of the plunger handle prior to release over to the inline track and into the final assembly. And at this stage, the plungers are inspected for quality. Items that are rejected come down through the chute, and items that are that meet the quality requirements come into the offload track. Where they will either be picked by the robot and placed into cell 20, which is directly integrated with the Symphoni, or will be sent into a bulk offload chute, which will be dumped in a bulk offload into our cell 30, which is not integrated with the line.